You're in the middle of a desert, you're walking, and all of a sudden, you're a tin. Where do you go? You can't see anything. The visibility is about 3-4 meters. If you don't have your mask and your goggle, you can't breathe and see. Make sure you have your water with you too all the time. I'm setting up my tent. And then that's my tent right here. I was like reinforcing it. Storm hit. Oh, look at that. That's what happened when you host a festival in the middle of the desert.